Hello children. So here in this video I am going to discuss that how you had to answer and what you have written, where you have lost mark or where you gain marks. Okay, what were your shortcomings and what were correct thing which you had to do. Many of time you will be simply thinking, you may be expecting that I'll get these many marks, and when you will see the marks then you will be surprised that I lost my marks, where I lost my marks, and you will have a number of doubts, and then you may not be very happy with your paper. So in this video I am going to discuss that what you have written and what was actually asked. Okay, I am talking about only bio paper. So about physics and chemistry or in the other subject I am not discussing here, but by and large the mechanism or method of answering is same. So let us talk about that. The very first thing is, that is, what are the things which are you have to keep in mind. Very first thing, that is, if your answer book does not have margin, then please draw the margin. And if it is maths paper or science physics paper where the calculations are needed, then you have to draw a right margin also. Left margin is required to put the question number, and the right margin also required for do all the type of rough work, so that the teacher may come to know that it is a genuine work which you had done. You have not simply copied from somewhere, or you are not just mugged up. Okay, now left margin is required in order to put the question number, and you have to put the correct question number. Okay, now if you have not drawn the margin, the teacher will not be able to put the marks in the margin, and then if the marks are put somewhere else, then probably it may not be noticed, and during the totaling some error may be there. So it is you are going to lose, not the teacher or anyone else. Second, leave at least 2 lines before starting new answer. Why it is necessary? First of all, it gives the clear-cut distinction that the new answer is started. Secondly, number of times the question is of one line, then there is no enough place left for the marks to be put, so that there will be enough place for the marking to be done. Thirdly, in case that you find that the answer is not correct, or you want to add a line or a few more words, then you may not get enough place. So if you have left enough of space between 2 answers, then you can still do the corrections. Okay, so that is the reason I always ask you to leave at least 2 to 3 lines before starting a new answer. Thirdly, write to the point answer. You may be knowing so much of things about a question, okay, but it is not that everything is asked by the teacher. Teacher has asked only a certain thing in your question paper. I'll just see when we'll be discussing about the questions. So I'll just tell you that what was expected and what you have written. The teacher, a child can write a full page on a particular answer of 1 mark question, but it is not expected. It may be probably one word or one line answer is asked, or what simply definition. Then what is the sense of writing? Now teachers do not have that much of time to look for the needle in the haystack. Okay, so you will have to give the to the point answer, and it's better that you underline also. Point number 4, try to answer either in the ascending or descending order. If you are jumbling up your answers, that means it is giving a negative impression in the eyes of the evaluator. Probably your copy may go somewhere in Ahmedabad or somewhere in Jabalpur or somewhere else, then he or she don't know that who you are and how much you know. But if you have done the question in jumble order, then it gives the impression that you don't know the answer. That's why you are searching for the questions that which you can answer. It's better that you answer either in the ascending order or the descending order. It will be good for you. It will be good for the teachers also to evaluate, and it will be good for them to post the marks even. Okay, and the last one is use only blue pen. There is no other pen prescribed by the CBSE for board exams, because the red pen, green pen, purple pen, black pen, all these pens are used by some other evaluators, maybe coordinators, maybe evaluators, maybe head examiner, or maybe assistant head examiner while doing the correction. So you cannot use any of these color. At the most, if you want to underline, you can underline using a pencil. You can use a dark pencil, maybe of 4B or 2B or 6B, which will be thick enough and will be dark enough, so one line only you can draw, and it will be giving a clear-cut highlight. Okay, so now we are going to discuss the question what was asked and what you have written. So question number 13, if I read the question, the question was what is the what is the content filtered out of the capillaries in the tissues known as? So in the tissue, that is tissue fluid, which is also known as lymph. So you had to write only one word, that is lymph. Okay, nothing else is asked, where it is filtered and how it is filtered, and nothing is asked. So only one word and one mark. Question number 14. Windpipe is placed before the food pipe in the neck, yet food does not enter into the windpipe while swallowing. How it is protected? The epiglottis cover the food pipe while swallowing, so the food doesn't enter in it. Okay, so this one particular line was expected to answer. Its choice was also there in the choice, or the sanitizer used so widely nowadays is containing 70%, about 70% alcohol, where this alcohol produced naturally, natural production of alcohol. The alcohol is naturally produced during fermentation by yeast or by any other organism. So you have to just write ethanol is produced in fermentation. Question number 15. What kind of organism occupy second trophic level? So second trophic level is occupied by herbivores or primary consumer. Okay, its choice was also there. I forgot to write the answer, but I am telling the answer. Why certain substances are non-biodegradable? So certain substances are non-biodegradable because the microbe does not have respective enzyme to digest it. Okay, it is the digestion by the microorganism which is decomposing it. So microbes does not have enzymes. Remember, only one or two child has written this answer. Most of the children is simply written that it is not decomposed, and that is why. So decomposed मैंने भी पूछा है. I also asked that only. Question number 16. What is the structure which prevent the backflow of food in the stomach or esophagus? So it is esophageal sphincter. Okay, so only these words were required. There was no need of writing the whole paragraph or lines and all. Question number 17 onwards, you have to write only the choice. Okay, you need not to ask write the whole sentence. There are a number of children who have written the sentence, but they forgot to write the choice. You have to write A or B or C or D. What is the correct option? Okay, you need not to write this A is true, R is false. These are not required. Only you have to write in, like in 17th question, the assertion and the reason. Assertion: number of top predators of any ecosystem are fairly low. Okay, and reason is given that the food passes from one trophic level to next, the amount is going on increasing. Amount can never increase. Amount of food can never increase. What 10% rule says that every food 90% will be consumed. So the reason is wrong, but the top predators have fairly low number. That is correct. So A is correct, but R is wrong. Okay, so that is the choice. That is C. Question number 18. Assertion and reason. Assertion says if two round-seeded plants are crossed, their offspring can also bear wrinkled seed plant. It is correct. We have seen it. Now, reason is saying offspring always get its genes from the parents only. Hence, they always show parental characters only. This is wrong. This is wrong. Now, you see, in the dihybrid cross, we had, like, if you talk about the tall plant and dwarf plant, in F1 generation we got only tall plant. Now when the tall plant was crossed, even we got dwarf plant, which was not there in the parent. So B says both A and R are right, but R is not correct explanation of A. It is correct that the genes are passed from the parents, but explanation is wrong. Okay, so that is the option B. Question number 19. Read the following passage and then answer. Okay. Now question 19.1. Animal eats more food, hence they produce more waste. This statement is absolutely correct. Yeah, absolutely wrong. No, this is not the option. The statement is right. No. This statement is partly right. No. Animal produce more waste as they are more active. They are more active, so they consume more food and they produce more metabolic activities and more metabolic waste. So D is the correct option. 19B. Sorry, 19 Now क्या कह रहा है? Which is not a right combination? Gum from the damaged stem, of course it is produced from there only. Oils are stored in tracheids, correct है. Citric acid found in certain fruits, ये भी सही है. Urea in vacuole. Vacuole does not contain urea. Okay, So that is a wrong combination. Now 19.3, human being excrete, choose the correct combination. Where to G? Now human being, urea in lungs, wrong. Urea in sweat, wrong. Sweat in salt in sweat, that is right. Okay, so C is correct option. 19.4, the plants produce relatively less waste because, again, now they are less active, correct है. They reuse their waste, ये भी correct है, because there are several, like carbon dioxide they produce in respiration is used in photosynthesis. Okay, so that is also correct. Most of their body constitute of dead cells, ये भी सही है. All the sclerenchyma, all the cork and xylem and tracheids and vessels, all these are dead cells, ये भी सही है. So they do not produce any waste only. So all three of these are right. So the option is 4, that is all of these are right. Now study the graph and answer. The graph कह रहा है the unfit person require more air. No. अनफिट है तो क्या एयर चाहिए उसको, हाँ ज़्यादा. नाउ नेक्स्ट स्टेप, फिट परसेंट रिस्टोर नॉर्मल हार्ट बीट इन अ लेस टाइम, दैट इज करेक्ट. ओके, बिकॉज दे गॉट लंग्स क्वाइट फंक्शनिंग एंड द हार्ट बीट्स आर नॉर्मल, सो दैट गेट नॉर्मलसी इन लेस टाइम. अनफिट परसेंट रिस्टोर टू नॉर्मल हार्ट बीट इन लेस टाइम, हो ही नहीं सकता. अनफिट इज अनफिट. एंड द फोर्थ इज डी, हार्ट बीट्स of all kind of person come to the normal in the same duration, that is wrong. So the correct option is B. Okay, so this is what was required. Only you had to write the option. You had to write only option. In one में D, second में D, third में C, fourth you had to write D, and fifth you had to write B. You need not to write the whole sentence. Okay, question number 24. 24 क्या कह रहा है, देखिए. When one molecule of glucose produce as much as 36 ATP in human beings, then why at certain time our muscles produce only 2 ATPs per glucose molecule? Which other way this kind of respiration is harmful? Now, what products are produced in this reaction using one molecule of glucose? So three parts were there. First, human being produce 2 ATPs when anaerobic respiration is taking place. That is when we are involved in the heavy activities. Then sufficient oxygen supply is not there, and then anaerobic respiration takes place. Then second is which other way this kind, so it causes inflammation or fatigue. And third, what are the products? So it produces lactic acid. Only lactic acid, no carbon dioxide. Okay, so these were the three, and if you have written these three, you are entitled to get full marks. Now question number 25, write two differences between transport of food and transport of water in the plant. So transport of water is done by xylem, correct. Transport of food is done by phloem. Then the xylem conduct the water in one direction only, that is from soil to leaves, whereas the food can be traveled in both the direction, that is from the leaves to roots or stem or any other part, and it can even from the storage organ, it can even go to the new organs. So from down to up or up to down, both sides. Transport of water is mainly dependent on the transpiration, whereas the transport of food, transpiration has nothing to do. Fourth, transpiration, since it is depending on the transport of water depending on the transpiration which takes place in the day. So transport of water is mainly done during daytime, whereas the food can be transported anytime. And energy is not required in transpiration, transport of water, whereas energy is required for transport of food. So these are the 5 options. Out of that, any 2 were written, then you are entitled to get full marks. Okay, now come to the 3-mark question. Question number 30, how digestion takes place in an amoeba? So amoeba is a holozoic organism. So holozoic nutrition completes in 4 steps: ingestion, digestion, absorption and assimilation, and the 4th is egestion. Okay, you have to define that, and then you have to, it was written that is the diagrammatically show. So you have to show these diagrams. See, the amoeba is there, and this is the food. The amoeba made pseudopodia, and the food is taken, food is surrounded, the food vacuole is formed, the digestion is taken, and the digested nutrients are moving outside by diffusion. Then assimilation, it will be used, and the undigested substance will be thrown out, that is egestion. So very simple. You could have done only 4 diagrams as it is given in the NCERT book or more. but it was clearly the diagrammatic question which you had to give. Okay, next is how the food web is the interlinking of two or more food chain. Now many a children done mistakes in this. See, food chain always start with plant. Okay, the plant can be plant product, it can be plant, it can be grains, it can be fruits, whatever it is. Now plant has to be written or shown in the bottom. Okay, many a children have done plant either here or here or here or here, anywhere they are placed, and some have not even drawn plant. Without plant, food chain is not there, so your answer will be wrong, and plant will always be down. And then who consumed that side, you have to put arrow. Some have done arrow this side, some have done arrow this side, that means kaun kisko kha raha hai, you cannot make out. So that is again a mistake. Some children have just made 2-3 food chain, but there is no interlinking, or the interlinking was on the last level, that is lion level or tiger level. That is not the way. You have to make a web like structure. See, now it is a web like structure. Okay, now answer option can be anything. Okay, so that was asked. Next question is question 32. 32 question. What is saying that when a cross is done between the round and yellow and wrinkled and green seed, round and yellow and wrinkled and green seed, F1 we get round and yellow. That means kya? These are the dominant characters. Okay, so first point of your answer is that is these are the dominant characters. Secondly, when we are allow them to breed, then they produce. That is what was the result. I'll just read the question. What will be the type of plant produced and what was the law given by Mendel? So we will get 4 different type of plants: round and yellow, round and green, wrinkled and yellow, wrinkled and green. And how this thing is, or why this thing is made possible, because the factor of each character is independently assorted. Capital R can go with capital Y, capital R can go with small y, small r can go with capital Y, or small r can go with small y. So this is how 4 type of gametes are produced by male plant and 4 by female plant. So this is how we get this type of combination, and this is the finding is that is law of independent assortment. So that you have to write, when these plants in F1 generation were crossed, they were produced only one type of plant, because of on the base of that he has given law of dominance. And when second generation 4 different type of plants were produced, on the basis of that he gave law of independent assortment. Okay, now come to the last question. Very simple question, no thinking, no logic, nothing. It was asked what are the differences between the asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. See, there are number of children, or almost all the children are written that asexual reproduction single parent, no problem. But sexual reproduction 2 parents are required, it is not necessary. There are several organisms which are bisexual, hermaphrodite. In that case, one plant or one organism is enough, one parent is enough. So better to write gametes, that is asexual reproduction, gametes are not involved, sexual reproduction, gametes are involved. Now single parent is enough, asexual reproduction, 2 parents or hermaphrodite parent, one is enough. Okay, no variation are produced in asexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction variation are always produced because 2 parents are involved. Now a child can either correct some of the character of one parent, and some of the character may be like other parents, some may be of even dada dadi nana nanis, that is grandparents, grandmothers. Okay, now point number 4, variety of methods are there for asexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction, wherever it is happening, it will be same, that is the fusion of gamete, zygote formation and development. Point number 6, generally it's a fast process. A sexual reproduction take place in a very less time, but sexual reproduction always take time. First of all, sexual maturity is there. During that time it will not be able to carry out sexual reproduction, and after completing maturity also the process takes time. 7th point is that only mitotic division take place in asexual reproduction, whereas in sexual reproduction mitotic as well as meiotic divisions are required. And last point, that is several methods are even protective methods, like they can protect the plant or animal from adverse condition like spore formation or vegetative propagation or all. Okay, whereas sexual reproduction there is no such mechanism. So any point, 5 points were required, even more points are there. Many of you have even done, and accordingly the marks are given. See, example you have to give, but example never contain marks unless it is specifically asked give two examples, then the example have marks. But if it is not asked, it is an additional thing. When you go to a hotel, you order for something, some things are freely available to you. Water he will give, ठीक है. If you ask, he will give you Bisleri, that will be a different thing. Otherwise ordinary water will be there definitely. Some sauce and some salt and pepper are always there, so salt and pepper you have to give always. That is examples. That's all children. Hope this video is useful for you. So when you come to see the paper, you just match all these things, it will be in with you, okay, and you see how I drawn margin, so that it will be useful for putting marks here, and the marks can be easily totaled. Okay, that's all children. Thank you. Good day. Hope it will be useful and you will be improving in the next pre-board exam and in the final board exam. Thank you. Good day.